Hey there, folks. Today I have got a real treat for you. I have the pleasure of sitting down with a remarkable young student from Raja Ram Mohan Roy Academy in the beautiful city of Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Meet
Faiqah.
Afzal, a sixth grader with an incredible story to tell. And
Faiqah.
has worked on a fascinating book. The name of the book is Blackberry, a.k.a. I think it's also known as Coca-Cola. And that sounds intriguing and interesting, doesn't it? So, well, let's dive in and discover the inspiration behind this unique project. I welcome you with a big heart. And my first question for you is, what inspired you to write Blackberry, also known as Coca-Cola?
Actually, the starting is like I went to my Masi's house and I saw that she's having a couple of cats. I saw that my Masi is playing with them, taking care of them. So, of course, a feeling must be developed in my heart that I also pet a cat. I also should pet a cat. Then one day in a school, Miss Sri Srivastava came for a workshop and she told that we can literally become young authors. I thought that I also must write a book. Then, that I discussed it with my parents, and they said that's really a good idea. And they said that of course you can write a book and publish it. You can express your feelings, how you love your kitten. So that's it. So basically, all the people and the incidents that took place around that period of time actually inspired me to write Blackberry Coca-Cola.
Wow, that's amazing. Okay, that's superb. Okay, a funny question. You like popcorn or candy?
Candy.
Why? Why?
Actually, because I love sweets.
Okay. Okay, you are very sweet. So just because you are sweet, you like sweets?
Um, uh, like I like the things which are sweet in taste.
Okay, what kind of sweets you like?
Um,
Barfi, gulab jamun, chocolates. What do you like?
Gulab jamun, burfi, and chocolates. I love chocolates.
Oh my god. And which is your favorite flavor? Caramel, dark chocolate? What's that?
Dark chocolate.
Dark chocolate. Okay. Interesting. Even I like dark chocolate. Okay, same. Okay. Do you remember any quote from your book that always makes you laugh, cry, sad, or have any other emotion in you?
When Faiza's mother threw the kitten away from the house. Actually, I always feel so sad about that.
Okay. You want to share a quote from your book? Any quote?
No.
No? Okay. Okay. If I want that you should describe your writing process in 3 words, what would it be?
Easy, fun, and curiosity.
Easy, fun, and
Curiosity.
okay, curiosity. Okay, cool. Okay. Now, suppose if your favorite food suddenly gained the ability to talk, what do you think it would say to you?
Why do you like me so much?
That's so funny. Okay, so you love writing. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, that's nice. Okay, now if you could swap your lives, with any actor for a day, who would it be?
Maybe Shah Rukh Khan or Kajol.
Shah Rukh Khan or Kajol? Okay. Are they your favorite actor and actress?
Yeah.
Okay.
Whenever I want to see movies, I just think that I must see a movie of Kajol and Shah Rukh Khan. They are kind of best.
but they have now grown very old. Like, if you ask me, I don't like Shah Rukh Khan too much. But yes, he is a good actor. But if I have to watch his movie every time, I cannot do that. For me, like, young stars like Ranveer Singh, Ranveer Kapoor, and some other guys who are in series these days. So they are very interesting, charming, attractive. But Shah Rukh Khan, okay. But you like him, and I'm impressed. Okay. Okay. If you could only eat one food for the rest of your life, what would it be? And I will give you here three options. Number one option is pizza, number two is tacos, and number three is ice cream.
Pizza.
Pizza. Okay. You like pizza?
Of course I like.
Okay. And what kind of pizza you like? You like vegetarian, paneer pizza, something tandoori flavor? Like, what do you like? Or non vegetarian? I mean, what do you like?
I, I like cheesy. Like
Cheesy.
dusted with cheese.
Oh, okay, cool. And which is your favorite brand for eating pizza? Domino's, Pizza Hut, or any other?
Domino's.
Domino's. Okay, cool. What's your favorite way to eat potatoes? French fries, mashed potatoes, or potato chips?
Hmm, potato chips maybe?
Chips. Okay, cool. Okay, I have got some good questions for you. Only one word. Okay, you have two choices. You have to choose, between one of them. You like pizza or pasta?
Pizza.
Pizza. Okay. Okay. You don't like pasta?
Um,
Not
um,
you. Okay. Okay. You like dogs or cats?
cat.
Cats. Chocolate or pickles?
Chocolate.
Okay. Summer or winter?
Summer.
Same here. Even I don't like winters. I seriously don't like winters. Okay. You like
Literally,
okay, what do you don't like about winters? Tell me anything.
literally we can't go out
Oh,
anywhere in this feeling
hmm.
cold.
Yeah, feeling cold always, shivering, and your body becomes inactive. So even I don't like. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
You like beach vacation or mountain retreat?
Beach vacation.
Okay. And you like sneakers or sandals?
Sneakers.
Okay. You like comedy movie or action movie?
I like comedy movies such as Hera Fairy. That's my favorite.
Hero Fairy. Okay. Cool. Okay. You are a coffee person or a tea person or a milk person?
Coffee and milk.
Do both?
Yeah.
Okay. You like books or you like movies?
Books.
Books. Okay. You like pancakes or waffles?
I love waffles.
Oh my god, same. I love waffles. Cool. You like sunrise or sunset?
Sunset. The
Sunset.
orange color in the sky, like too good.
Yeah, and especially you are in Dehradun, so I think that look is so mesmerizing, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, because in Delhi, it's very hard to see such kind of scenarios, but when you are in a mountain area, so you can see those sunset, sunrise, beautiful nature around you. I mean, you are so lucky that you are residing there and you can see all those beautiful things the nature is providing us, right? Cool.
Yeah.
Okay. You like singing or dancing?
Singing. I love singing.
Can you sing for us?
Um, which song would you like?
Any song which you like. I will love that song.
Okay.
Okay.
If you miss the train I'm on, you will know that I am gone. You can hear the whistle blow 100 miles.
Wow. Can you sing more? I was lost in your singing. A little more?
100 miles, 100 miles, 100 miles, 100 miles. You can hear the whistle blow 100 miles. Lord, I'm one, Lord, I'm two, Lord, I'm three, Lord, I'm four, Lord, I'm 500 miles away from home.
Cool. Awesome. You want to sing any Hindi song also?
I don't like really, I really don't like Hindi songs much.
But you like Shah Rukh Khan and Kajol. So you will have to sing a song from their movie.
I don't remember such songs.
This is cheating. Okay. You like have you heard that song? Le Chale Ja. That is very popular.
Maybe
No?
days ago.
Okay, I'll not force you. Even I don't like Bollywood songs, but that's okay. But sometimes I hear also. Okay, cool. You like t-shirt or hoodie?
A t-shirt.
T-shirt. Okay. Relaxing, comfortable. Cool. You like texting? You like calling?
I like calling.
Calling. Okay. I'm not a calling person. I don't know why I feel so lazy sometimes that I don't feel like picking up my phone and then calling people. Instead, I feel better to, text. So you love calling people instead of texting.
Yeah, it takes a lot of time to take.
Because I think it is with me that I type a lot. That is why I have a habit of typing, and my speed is much faster as compared to calling. And when I feel like I have to give a call to someone, I feel like, oh my god, I have to give a call. Okay, I'm impressed. Okay, you like board games or video games?
Board games.
Okay. You are a morning person or a night owl?
Actually, I'm a morning person as I'm having school.
Sorry, can you repeat?
I'm a morning person as I'm having my school.
Okay, your school. Okay. So you like waking up early in morning?
No.
Otherwise you don't like?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't
You
like
just,
waking up.
okay. Just because you have to go to school, that is why you are a morning person.
Yeah.
Okay. Same is here. Because I have to go to my office, that is why I'm a morning person. Otherwise, I am a night owl. Okay. So there are so many similarities between both of us, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay. Last question. Any message for our viewers?
Actually, there are two messages. This platform is literally amazing. And like, there are hundreds of themes over here. Like, I felt so good after seeing that. Finally, I got out. That finally, I'm here. I'm becoming an author. So it was really a good feeling. And please do read my book.
Wow. I'm so impressed. You have just blown us away with your insights and creative answers. Okay, guys, it's time to wrap up the session. She has truly blown us away with her insights and creative answers. So, do check out her book available on our bookstore, and the link of the book is given in the description box below. And I don't know about others, but I can't wait to get my hands on your book. Definitely, I'm going to buy it. I'm going to read that stuff because, as per our chit chat, I can make out that you have created such a wonderful piece. Okay, And I want to see where your imagination is going to land us. And till next time, stay happy and enjoy life. Thank you for your participation in this small session. Thank you. Bye. Take care.